Standard 2nd. Hello everyone. Today we will learn a new topic. But before I start my topic, first I introduce the topic. Introduction. When we do subtraction or when we subtract a number from a bigger number, we get a small number. Second one, we find the difference between the two numbers. Number line. Now let us see how to use a number line for subtraction. That is one number from another. All of you, this is a number line. Okay, this is a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now on the number line, take away 1 from 10, you get 9. Take away 1 from 9, you get 8. Take away 1 from 8, you get 7. Take away 1 from 7, you get 6. Take away 1 from 6, you get 5. Take away 1 from 5, you get 4. Take away 1 from 4, you get 3. Take away 1 from 3, you get 2. Take away 1 from 2, you get 1. Take away 1 from 1, you get 0. Now you all of you understood how can take away 1, then the smaller to bigger number. Revised counting means a take away. Now next example. Let us take a number 7. Yes. And then we count backward by one number. Then the answer will be coming 6. How can we write down? Like that. 7 minus 1 take away, then equal to or backward counting one number is 6. Now next example. Suppose here 6 number, then I take away 1 from 6, take away 1 from 6. Now you get the 5 number. How can you write? Just see. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Like that, our answer is coming. Now, next example is 3. Then you take away or backward counting 1. Then which answer is coming? Think fast. Yes, very good. If 3 number is given the number line and we take away 1, then gives 2 number, means our answer is 2 number. 3 minus 1 or take away 1 is equal to 2. Good job. Use a minus sign look like that in a subtraction sentence. This sign tells us to take away take away numbers. I have 8 teddy bears. I have 8 teddy bears and I take away 2. 1, 2. Then tell me how many teddy bears are left? Okay, just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I find the difference between 8 and 2. Now I have 6 teddy bears. How can we write? Like that. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now next one. I have 6 teddy bears and I take away 1. Then how many teddy bears are left? Counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I find the difference between 6 and 1. Now I have 5 teddy bears. How can we write? Like that. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now student, next example. I have 5 teddy bears and I give 3 teddy bears, Nina, Sham and Ravi. Nina, Sham and Ravi. Then how many teddy bears are left? Just count it. 1, 2. 2 teddy bears are left. How can we write? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now next example. I have 2 teddy bears and I gave 1 teddy bear to my sister. I gave 1 teddy bear to my sister. How many teddy bear is left? Yes, only 1 teddy bear is left. How can we write? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we recap what we have studied. In subtraction, we subtract or take away with a smaller number from a bigger number. Now see one example. 9 minus 2. Then I will draw a sticks. First I draw the 9 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I take away 2. 1, 2. Then how many remaining? Wait, I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now next example. Okay, here 8. Then I will draw a 8 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then I take away 5. Yes. Then I take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how many remaining? 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now next example. 6 subtract 4. Okay. Now I find out the answer with the help of stars. First 6 is there. Then here 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many remaining? 1 and 2. So there are 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Some example and you all of you tell me the answer. Okay? You all of you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Now first example is 7 minus 3. Then how many are left?
7 minus 3 is equal to 4.
Very good. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now next example is 5 minus 4. Then how many have left?
4.
Yes. Tell me.
5 minus 4 is equal to 1.
Very good. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now next and last example is 4 minus 2 then equal to find the answer. Yes, anyone?
I.
Yes. Tell me.
4
Yes.
minus minus 2 is equal to 2.
Yes, very good. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now you all of you knowing about the subtraction very well. Now we will remember what we have to study. In subtraction, we subtract or take away with a smaller number from a bigger number to get a small number. When we subtract the number of things in the group, the number of things in a group reduces or becomes less. Now all of you see here. Here activity. Now in middle side 4 number is given. Here subtraction is there and same here, but the number will be different. And this 3 side I will take a star, shapes and sticks. You have to take another examples and middle side another number and complete this pattern. Now homework time. All of you see here. Subtract the numbers and write down the correct answer. Here given the numbers, you have to one by one solve these sums in your maths notebook. Thank you.